6 ways to control any conversation without talking much. You don't need to talk more to control a conversation. Most people think control comes from speaking a lot. But the truth is, it comes from how you speak and how little you speak. First, pause before you respond. That silence makes people lean in and listen more carefully. Second, ask better questions. Not random questions, but ones that guide the direction of the conversation. Third, let people talk more than you. The more they speak, the more control they unconsciously give you. Fourth, don't rush to fill silence. Silence feels uncomfortable for most people. But powerful people use it as control. Fifth, respond with short, clear statements. No over-explaining, no unnecessary details. Just precision. Sixth, match their energy, then slow it down. This shifts the entire rhythm of the conversation in your favor. Control isn't about talking more. It's about making every word count. Subscribe to Timeless Truth for more.